Hey guys, so I made this video 39 minutes long, edited, beautifulness. It took me quite a long time to do it. And then I remembered, because I'm not verified on YouTube, I can't upload a video that long anymore. Anyway, so let's go into my 2020 favorites. I'm going to start off because in the other video, I did this face. Okay, so using all my kit favorites that I own personally, because pretty much, to be honest, if I have it in my kit, I have it in my personal collection as well. So the first thing I would do is hydrate my face. So Embryolisse has been in my kit for quite a long time, and it's one of my favorites. I use it mostly in the wintertime. So repurchase time and time and time again. I just got the bigger one this last order I did. 90% of the stuff I order is from Ulta or CameraReadyCosmetics.com. So those are the two places I shop for the most part. Sometimes you catch me at Target for brushes. Sometimes you'll catch me at... That's about it, honestly. I don't really shop. I don't really buy a bunch of stuff anymore. I mean, I do, but it's for my kits, replenishing, stuff like that. So anyway, next is my oils. So MAC Prep and Prime, essential oils, hands down, favorite, all skin types. It's worked for me as a working makeup artist for 16 years. This is something that I have not for 16 years we've purchased, but the last few years I've purchased over and over, time and time again. It's so little. I wish it came in a bigger bottle, but it works in your kit. So, and you need very little. Usually if someone's oily, I just put some here and right in here, because that's usually where people get more dry, and so you don't want the concealer and the foundation to look ugly. So yeah. Next is the Myricks oil. This one doesn't saturate into the skin as well. So if they're oily, I don't use this at all on them because it will sit on the skin. Now, if they're really dry, normal, and you're wanting that healthy glow, that's a really good oil that I reach for. Next thing is priming. Nope, lying. Another step. This is an optional step for me. I did use it today. I don't know if you could tell, but... it's the MAC Strobe Cream. Who hasn't owned this at least once in their life or at least tried it, right? This is one of MAC's staple products for many years. I go back and forth. I've repurchased this. I've not used it for years, and then I purchased it again. And right now I've been liking it. Especially right now in this fall and winter time. Everybody's skin is just more dehydrated, more dry, uneven, and this I mostly focus it here underneath the eyes and into here, and just one dot or two dots like that on each side, and it just adds that natural luminosity. A lot of the brights that I do, and a lot of the makeup or the bridesmaids that I work on, it's more of a medium coverage with great skin type deal. So that's where this comes into play, because it really lets that highlight come through. Next are my two primers, Murad, which I don't know if I've talked about. I've made videos and I haven't uploaded them, so I'm not sure. But anyway, I have repurchased this time and time again. I absolutely love it. It's worth every single penny. And if you want me to go in depth into it, let me know. Murad, the Invisibler Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30 PA++, $65, and I will continue to repurchase this no matter what. Next is the Myricks. This is definitely more for my oily skin brides, because like me, who I have normal to dry skin, it just doesn't look the best, and the Murad looks the best on the drier skin types. So there's that. Next we have blush. So Senna Cosmetics is my go-to palette, and I just recently broke the top, and I'm so sad. I'm gonna have to glue it because I don't want it to dry out. But anyway, as you see, my little spatula marks in there. I get the spatula. You need the smallest amount, not a pea size, a quarter of a pea size, and I have it on a spatula, which I don't have my spatula with me right now because it's in my kit, but and I use that. Well, I usually use the brush. It's a Real Technique setting brush, and I just kind of go like that with the spatula, and then I put it on, or I'll just straight dot it on their face. So there's that. Powders, Danessa Myricks, Bare Minerals, matte, can go on pretty much every single person, depending on the foundation that I'm using. Danessa Myricks will go on every single foundation, every single person, dry, oily, combination, any type, you call it, you want it. This is the powder to get, and I own all of the colors. In her smaller sizes, I own all of them, and I will continue to repurchase them because it's the best powder I've ever tried, especially for me that I have dry skin. I can't use a lot of powders because it'll start settling and it looks dry and it'll cling to the dry patches. And yeah, so like I've had my makeup on for 5-6 hours now because I did this video a long time ago. The first video, I did it in the morning. And then by the time I got to editing, doing all that, it's later in the day and we're remaking this video. Anyway, we're 7 minutes in. I gotta hurry, guys. All right. Next is eye primer. This one's dirty. It's my personal one, guys. MAC 24 Hour Extended Eye Base. I will continue to repurchase this. I like it. I've tried many others. I just happen to keep repurchasing that one. Eyebrows, clear brow gel. So I'm just using up the MAC ones I had because I purchased kits and I got like 6 kits and it came with 6 of these, but I absolutely love it. I don't know after I've run out of all of them. I think I have like 2 or 3 more. If I'm going to repurchase and spend it, I might go on a little binge of clear mascaras or mascaras that are more affordable. But for now, this is a staple in my kit and I love it. It's how I do my eyebrows. I might do a separate video on that because I do it differently now. Eyebrows, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I continue to repurchase these. Of course, they last forever. So there's that. Inglot eyeliner, I don't know what this is called. The AMC eyeliner gel. And the Duraline with their eyeliner brush. Right now on CameraReadyCosmetics.com, you can get the kit with those 3 things. Amazing, 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 that brush. I need to purchase a couple more because they're just the best eyeliner brush I've ever used, especially for hooded eyes. And then the formula from the Inglot eyeliner is great once it dries. Bronzer right now, I have 2 of these. I have both colors from the MAC collection. These are my go-to bronzers right now. I purchased a backup as well for my kit. I just like the softness of the color. It's what I have on today. It's just very lightly bronzed. It's not contoured. Love it, along with my Bare Minerals ones too that are also discontinued. Cream bronzer is my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow. Holy Grail staple in my kit. It's beautiful on the skin and it lasts. It helps you keep that bronze look all day long and I love it. So there's that. My Temp2 airbrush machine. It's what I use it for air. I use it for water. I use it for Fix Plus and setting spray, which next is the setting spray. Christopher Buckle. I will repurchase you. It's great for drier skin. Obviously, Urban Decay is in my kit, the all-nighter. And I think that's it, guys. Those are kind of the staples that I have that I love, that I continue to repurchase time and time and time again. If you guys want me to make a brush video, let me know and I will do that next. Thanks for watching. Bye.